God, you're still here?
You're still in a bad mood? Lighten up a little.
No, it costs nothing to be a bitch. Being happy is a scam.
That is not true. I am so happy and I love it.
You should smile less. Your teeth are ugly. You should also stop bleaching your hair. It looks dead.
And your eyes are far apart.
What? That's not true.
Do you ever smile?
Nope.
Not even a grin?
I prefer a frown.
Are you like a psychopath or something who doesn't smile?
Psychopaths, like me. Do you enjoy being irritating?
Oh please, you love me.
I love when you don't speak.
Nah, we're best friends, right?
If it means you'll stop talking, then yes.
You just need to do something that'll make you happy. Is there anything you can think of?
No, nothing makes me happy, and can you stop trying?